What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the 6.4 again. Throw a little video together of maybe hopefully cleaning it in this video, make it nice and shiny inside, throwing the bumpers on if they'll be back from PowerCo, which they should, and then or from paint, and the hood, the wheels and tires should be here. So hopefully let's dive into it. Got some warm water right there. Look at that. If my camera can focus. So got some warm water. Gotta do some wiping. Hopefully all this will look brand spanking new soon. So first, probably gonna vacuum. I don't know if I'll be able to set up a GoPro in here, but we'll just do some before and after shots. Just like that, it's all clean. Took a little bit of elbow grease, but look at that. Everything's clean. Well, that was a fly, but look at that. The steering wheel cleaned up pretty good, but this is like just rubbed off leather. But the seats turned out good. There's a couple of rips in them. Might replace these covers, but other than that, the back seats turned out awesome. It's a lot better now. Just a little cleaner, you know, and get the old owner washed out of here. But that's that. What's up, you guys? So got the truck in, everything's washed, clean. So now I'm swapping out the brake caliper. It was leaking, so I think the brake caliper popped out or something, but I got the vice grips off, so now let's swap it out. So I wonder if they ever changed the brakes. This was what was left of a brake pad. That's why the caliper went too far, it popped out, it leaked out. But yeah, so now let's change the brakes. Got some Duralast brakes right there, best in the nation, I guess. Some cheapo brakes, but it'll work for the rear. That's what they had available. But yeah, change your brakes sometimes at least. And just like that, a brand new to this truck caliper is installed. Some little brake pads. Now let's do the other side. And I also got the front ones. She's gonna be fresh. Got the GoPro set up. Now it's ready to do the other side. Let's get cracking. little Sawzall action, and she's out. The bolts wanted to break, but there's no chance it stood against the good Diablo blade. Look at that. The fronts are brand spanking new. Looks like even a new rotor. So I don't have to do the fronts. And just like that, thanks for watching. No, I'm just kidding. It's not, I'm not gonna do that to you guys. Change some brakes out and say, oh yeah, this is a video. Hopefully the tires come in soon. Wheels, I think the paint is gonna be done tomorrow. Bumpers and hood. But I got the fender flaps or whatever, fender mud flaps off. Brakes are replaced, fronts were good. Look at that fresh intercooler. Woo! 1,000 horsepower right there. Hood's almost done. It's cleaned. Look at that. I don't know, I'm still thinking of replacing it, because if I replace this, it's gonna kind of stand out. It's not too bad, but somebody might get a little hissy fit about that. But she's clean. So I guess there's not much to do. Just gotta bleed the brakes and do the hood, bumpers, maybe headlights, wheels and tires, and she's done. I know I said it's gonna be one video, but I think it's gonna be two. You know, the one previous to this one and this one's gonna be the final one. So once some more parts come in, I'll get you guys on the flip side. Look at that, fresh. Sheesh, look at that. Got the hood in there. Got the bumper, I think, in there. Got some valances from Ford. Man, looking good. Going on that truck right there. So let's get this out on the stand and see how it looks. Look at this. A little dirty from my hands, you can see right there. But now it's all color matched. Corners are color matched, front bumper, hood. Hopefully no more dent. And it's gonna look sweet. So now let's not waste any time and take this and put it on that. So I also dug up some headlights I pulled off another truck, because see how these are kind of faded and have like marks on them, see that? And plus they have amber in there. Let's see, and these ones are like clear, so I thought about going black housing. I have some black housing right here, but I think I'll save it for the next project, because it's like 100 some bucks. I mean, trying to be on a budget for this one. I had some LED bulbs and then some LED fog lights. Look at that. Whole housing and everything. So those look fresh on there. I mean, extra 100 bucks ain't gonna hurt it for all the LEDs and stuff. So now let's throw a little time lapse and get everything assembled. Hopefully I'll just rush through it, get everything assembled, and go from there. She's a good looking front end right here. And here's the rear end, all assembled. Gotta slap it on there. But it turned out pretty good. A lot better than chrome. Color match bumpers, that's the way to go. Hood, no more dent. Grill installed. I even sprayed the Ford logo because it's all peeling. Little black accent over there. Why not? Look at that. The headlights look pretty good on here. They were just laying around, so why not? It's sure not as fun to put it together than take it apart. Take it apart easy. Bam, bam. Put it together. Gotta be nice. Gotta remember how everything was put together. But let's throw on the rear bumper and one more clip maybe, and then the wheels will be here. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Look at this thing. It turned out real good. Look at that. Front end looks a lot better. Wheels and tires. Just needs a little buff. It's raining today, but tomorrow I think the buff is gonna happen. Gotta wash her up. Look at that. See, buddy. This mean stance right here. Really happy how it turned out. The wheels are a little overkill, but go big or go home. Look at that. Look at this from the inside. Perfect. I mean, besides that, but we're not gonna worry about that. Little bufferoni, little cleanup, and I think she's gonna be pretty. Let's do a quick 360. Look at the rear bumper. Perfect. Look at that. Man, that's a mean rear end right here. Color matched. Ooh, it's getting a little windy. Look at her sitting right here. Just good thing we went with the different headlights. Look at that. That's it. We'll catch you guys when she's all buffed. Dang, this thing is shiny. Ooh-wee. And look, I even pulled the clear bra off. Got it all buffed out. Now the paint matches. That shiny, this shiny. He even buffed this again. See? That's my boy. But I had this thing outside to have it all in the sun and everything, but it's super windy, so I figured I just record a little video I might throw in there. And let's restart this video for the 13th time. Got a customer picking up stuff, but man, she turned out good. The paint came back pretty good. I was kind of afraid where the paint won't come back. You could kind of, I don't know, maybe not. Right here, see where that's where the clear bra, I guess, was. But it's really hard to see. Like somewhere right here. It was a big line before, but look at that. But yeah, truck is all done. Turned out good. I'm gonna throw the walk around from the outside so you guys can kind of see it in the sunlight. But yeah, it turned out good. Wheels, got the brakes bled, got everything fixed up, and that's it. So I mean, 2 videos, it took me, you know, a couple hours there, but if you add everything together, it's like maybe 1 full day. So that's why, you know, you can make money in 1 day, you know, technically in 1 day, but if I had all the parts and everybody lined up, it would be done in 1 day. But yeah, that's that for the video. If you guys enjoyed this kind of video, hit that like button, subscribe, support the channel. Trying to move forward, you know, gotta keep busting these videos out, but it's hard when you're busy and you're kind of slacking, you know, more slacking than busy. But yeah, you guys can see the truck behind me. I love how it turned out. Kind of wanted to maybe keep this one, sell the other one, but I really like the white one, and I don't want to beat up this new nice truck, you know, that I just cleaned and everything. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.